Hello, it's Diwan, and I appreciate you taking the time to explore this product review. Have you ever wanted to change your face on any video or image? Whether you want to create funny memes, realistic deepfakes, or stunning animations, Faceswap is the ultimate solution for you. Before we delve into the review, I want to mention an exciting opportunity. If you're interested in working with your own personal internet marketing coach to guide you towards earning up to $10,000 per month online through a simple copy and paste method, check out the first link in the description. You can acquire the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. Upon doing so, I'll be providing you with 3 fantastic bonuses that will significantly enhance your experience. Bonus number 1. Discover 5 cutting-edge digital marketing strategies for 2024. Discover 5 cutting-edge digital marketing strategies for 2024 to boost your online presence. Engage audiences, increase visibility, and drive conversions with these innovative tactics. Bonus number 2. Master the art of building a successful personal brand in 2024. Learn the secrets of crafting a compelling personal brand in 2024. Master online optimization, storytelling, and audience connection to establish yourself as a trusted authority, unlocking new opportunities and credibility. Bonus number 3. Navigate the path to launching a successful startup. Transform your business idea into reality with our Startup Launch Guide. From crafting a business plan to navigating legalities and securing funding, gain practical insights to confidently launch and lead your startup to success. These are exclusive bonuses available only through my link. While they could easily be sold for hundreds of dollars, I'm providing them to you for free to help you maximize the potential of the product and achieve success. Elevating your game is my priority. These bonuses will be automatically delivered to you inside Warrior Plus or JV Zoo when you grab this product. Now, let's kick off the review. Faceswap is a cloud-based software that uses powerful AI technology to swap faces on any human or animation in videos or images with just a few clicks. You can choose from thousands of faces in our library or upload your own photos or videos to create custom faces. You can also mix and match different faces to create unique combinations. With Faceswap, you can create unlimited characters for your videos and images without hiring actors, buying costumes, or spending hours on makeup. You can also target any audience with pinpoint demographics by changing the age, gender, ethnicity, or expression of your faces. You can also recreate existing videos and images to sell as stock content or give them a fresh look with new faces. Faceswap will help you save money, time, and effort while producing super targeted and engaging results. You can use Faceswap for any visual content creation, such as web pages, sales pages, blog articles, social media campaigns, emails, company presentations, corporate training videos, and more. You can also have fun with Faceswap by creating hilarious memes, pranks, or parodies with your friends, family, or celebrities. So what are you waiting for? Get Faceswap today and unleash your creativity with the power of AI. Faceswap is available for a low one-time price with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Plus, if you act now, you will also get some amazing bonuses that will enhance your Faceswap experience. Don't miss this opportunity to revolutionize your visual content creation with Faceswap. Click the button below and get started right away.